Namo Namaha. Myself Miss Shamal from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, today we are going to study Bhasha Sutram 3. Latlakarah Vartamankalah Atmanepadam. As we know that in Sanskrit the dhatus are divided in two padas, Parasmepadam, Atmanepadam, and the dhatus those are used in both the padas. It's called the Ubhayapadam. Students, we already studied about the Latlakarah Parasmepadam. Now today we are going to study Latlakarah Atmanepadam. So for that, let's see the pratyas. Atmanepadam pratyah. Te ite ante, se ite dve, I vahe mahe. So let's see how these 9 pratyas are added to the verb and make the Latlakarah Atmanepadam dhatu, means Kriyapad. क्रियापद सूत्रम मूल धातु प्लस गणविकरण. गणविकरण. Students, we know that in Sanskrit the dhatus have ganas, and ganas also divided in two groups. The first group and second group. In first group, the ganas Prathamah, Chaturtha, Shashtha, Dasham ganas are included. Now let's see their vikarans. Pratham ganas vikaran is a. Chaturtha ganas vikaran is ya. Shashtam ganas vikaran is a. Dashamah ganas vikaran is aya. So let's see how these ganas are added to the verb and then added to the Atmanepadi pratyas and make the Atmanepad Latlakar. Here one example is given. Bhashate. Moola dhatu. Bhasha. Sha is halanta. Bhasha plus a. Because bhasha is a pratham gana dhatu. So plus a. Bhasha plus a. Bhasha. Plus te. Atmanepad pratyay te. Bhashate. Here some examples are given. Vanda. If dhatu is pratham gana. Vanda plus a. Vanda moola dhatu. Vanda plus a. Vanda. Plus te vandante. Vandate. Yudha. If dhatu is chaturtha gana. Chaturtha gana's vikaran ya. So moola dhatu yudha plus ya yudhya. Plus te yudhyate. Disha. If the dhatu is shashtam gana. Shashtam gana's vikaran a. Disha plus a disha. Plus te dishate. Puja. If the dhatu is dasham gana. The dasham ganas vikaran aya. Puja plus aya pujaya plus te pujayate. In this way we can make the Latlakarah Atmanepadam. See one dhatu is here bhasha. Pratham gana. Bhashate, bhashete, bhashante. Bhashase, bhashete, bhashadve. Bhashe, bhashavahe, bhashamahe. Now here some Sandhi rules are here. Before joining the pratyas of Atmanepadam to the verb, we have to do some changes. The rule of Sandhi. A plus E means A. Is followed when the pratyas like E, ithe and ite are added. For example, Bhasha plus A plus E, Bhashe. Rama plus Bhasha plus A plus ithe, Bhashethe. Bhasha plus E plus ite, Bhashete. Means E change into A. When we are joining the pratyay E to the verb, the E change into A. So that's why Bhashate, Bhashete, Bhashante. Similarly, when the pratyay is beginning with the letters V or M, the letters V or M are added. The earlier vowel A is changed into A. The earlier vowel A change into A. For example, Bhasha vahe, Bhasha mahe. This has already been observed when we learn the Parasmeva pratyas Vah and Mah. Patha Vah, Patha Mah. Similarly, here the forms Bhasha Vahe, भाषामहे have been made. In the same way, when the pratyay ante, we are adding the ante to the verb, a is drop. A is drop. Bhashate, bhashete, bhashante. A is drop. So, bhasha plus a plus ante, bhashante. Let's see some more examples. Vanda. प्रथम गण आत्मनेपद. वंदते, वंदेते, वंदन्ते, वंदसे, वंदेथे, वंदद्वे, वंदे, वंदावहे, वंदामहे. युद्ध. चतुर्थ गण. युध्यते, युद्धेथे, युध्यन्ते, युध्यसे, युद्धेथे, युद्धद्वे, युद्धे, युद्धावहे, युद्धामहे. दिश. षष्ठः गण. दिशते, दिशेते, दिशन्ते, दिशसे, दिशेथे, दिशद्वे, दिशे, दिशावहे, दिशामहे. पूज. दशमगण. पूजयते, पूजयेते, पूजयन्ते, पूजयसे, पूजयेथे, पूजयद्वे, पूजये, पूजयावहे, पूजयामहे. Here one again dhatu is given. Kru, karoti, kurute. This kru dhatu is ubhayapad dhatu. It is not belong from the first group ganas. It is from the second group ganas, but it's a common dhatu. So that's why given here. Kurute, kurvate, kurvate, kurushe, kurvathe, kurudve, kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe. Students, you have to learn this kru dhatu by heart. In this way, we can make the atmanepad latlakar dhatu. Now let's see the nouns. Students, we already learn about the nouns which is ending with akaranta pullinga nama deva, akaranta napusakalinga nama vana, akaranta strilinga nama mala. Now today we will see ikarantam pullingam nama kavi. Kavihi, kavi, kavayah prathama, kavim, kavi, kavina dvitiya, कविना कविभ्याम कविभिः तृतीया, कवये कविभ्याम कविभ्यः चतुर्थी, कवेः कविभ्याम कविभ्यः पंचमी, कवेः कव्योः कवीनां षष्ठी, कवौ कव्योः कवीषु सप्तमी. हे कवि, हे कवि, हे कवयः संबोधनम. Here some ikaranta pullinga names are given. Muni, Rushi, Ravi. Is all these nouns you can decline like kavi. इकारांतम स्त्रीलिंगम नाम मति. मतिहि, मति, मतयः प्रथमा, मतिम, मति, मतिहि द्वितीया, मत्या, मतिभ्यां, मतिभिः तृतीया, मतये, मत्यै, मतिभ्यां, मतिभ्यः चतुर्थी, मतेः, मत्याः, मतिभ्यां, मतिभ्यः पंचमी, मतेः, मत्याः, मत्योः, मतीनां षष्ठी, मतौ, मत्यां, मत्योः, मतिषु सप्तमी. हे मते, हे मति, हे मतयः संबोधनम. Here some ikaranta strilingi nouns are given. Bhumi, buddhi, priti, kirti, shruti. These nouns are declined like mati. Ikarantam napusakalingam nama vari. Vari, varini, varini prathama, vari, varini, varini dvitiya, varina, varibhyam, varibhiः तृतीया, वारिणे, वारिभ्यां, वारिभ्यः चतुर्थी, वारिणः, वारिभ्यां, वारिभ्यः पंचमी, वारिणः, वारिणोः, वारिणां षष्ठी, वारिणी, वारिणोः, वारिषु सप्तमी. हे वारे, हे वारी, हे वारिणी, हे वारिणी संबोधनम. Here some ikaranta napusakalingam names are given. Suchi, Surabhi, Bhuri. These nouns are declined like vari. इकारांतम स्त्रीलिंग नाम नदी. दीर्घ ई. नदी, नद्यो, नद्यः प्रथमा, नदीं, नद्यो, नदीः द्वितीया, नद्या, नदीभ्यां, नदीभिः तृतीया, नद्यै, नदीभ्यां, नदीभ्यः चतुर्थी, नद्याः, नदीभ्यां, नदीभ्यः पंचमी, नद्याः, नद्योः, नदीनां षष्ठी, नद्यां, नद्योः, नदीषु सप्तमी. हे नदी, हे नद्यो, हे नद्यः संबोधनम. जननी, कुपी, नारी, युवती, नगरी, मही. Many nouns are given here. These nouns are declined like nadi. In this way, whatever the nouns we studied today, students, you have to learn all these tables by heart. So you can decline the other nouns according to that. धन्यवादः.